Arbitrum Airdrop confirm. Let's effing go. This is what we're doing today. We're gonna do step one, week one. Enter the Odyssey. We're gonna bridge using Hope Exchange, and we're gonna get the Odyssey. Enter the Odyssey NFT on Arbitrum. We have 8 weeks, and each week I will do all of them. You guys can follow. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Join the links below to get all the good stuff and basically make it. So what do we got? We got Enter the Odyssey. The Odyssey has begun just I don't know when you watch it, but basically 30 minutes ago according to my time. Odyssey has begun. You're prepared to bridge into Arbitrum. Step one, week one, just move Ethereum. Very important. Not USDC, DAI, any of that, Tether. Ethereum only. You are prepared to bridge into Arbitrum to see what lies in store for you. You have an idea of what to expect. Yeah, we're expecting an airdrop, but you're not exactly sure. That's true. All you know is that the task will be treacherous. I don't know what that means, but the NFTs will be breathtaking. Into the Odyssey you go. Click more. I don't know. First time I'm reading this. This NFT represents one completion of bridging into Arbitrum. One of the first week of Arbitrum Odyssey collaboration with Ratwell, Sugoi, and Project Galaxy. More information, check their Discord. Okay. Claim, we're doing week number one and we have 7 days to do this. Who's eligible? All those Hope Optimism Bridger. This is what we're doing. Connects Bridger. I've used Connects a couple of times when I used Evamos, Hope Polygon, Hope XDAI, Hope Mainnet Bridger, and Hope Optimism. So we are okay, so they give you specific options so you can use whatever bridge that you want. This is very nice, very nice. I didn't know that. Ranjo is also a nice bridge that I've used, but I like Hope. So we can do Hope, send Ethereum from mainnet, okay, if you want. Hope, send Ethereum from Polygon. Hope, send Ethereum from XDAI, and Hope, send Ethereum from Optimism Bridger. This is what we're doing, layer 2 to layer 2. I would also use Connects if you haven't done so. They basically, it's a good potential airdrop. Who knows? As I said, Ranjo, people said, hey, we're going to use Hashflow for maybe potential bonus airdrop, but we're going to use Hashflow as, I think, week 3. So I'm not doing that. And plus, the more you use Hope on Optimism, the more you might get more Optimism coins once they grant the second part of Optimism airdrop goes live. Let's read a little bit about it before we do it. Bridge FAQ, Bridge Week FAQ just posted. What assets will be counted? As I said, only Ethereum. Do not send stables, only Ethereum. Is there a minimum amount that you should be bridging? Nope, no minimum. So even $1 or something. How can I qualify for the bonus NFT? Use the one bridge that you think will have the most Ethereum bridge by the end of the week. So if you bridge, I think people will do Hashflow, some people will use Connects. I don't know. I love Hope Exchange. The price, the airdrop that we got was horrible. Market cap is like $4 million. Are you kidding me? Like 11 cents, 13 cents now. That's so stupid. But everyone used. I use them almost every day when I move. Arbitrum, Optimism, trade on Pika, trade on GMX. No, I only use Hope. That's my default. When can we claim the bridge NFT? Shortly after. Which chain can I bridge from? Any chain that the bridge in question supports. So as we said, we're gonna do Hope, Optimism. Can I use multiple bridges? Yes, use as many that you like, but doesn't mean you're gonna get 10 NFTs. You're probably gonna get one, but I'm not sure. The official bridge part of the campaign? No, only the bridges picture below, because the official bridge is super slow. We used it 6 months ago. Maybe we'll get bonus points. Which bridge can I use? The ones in the picture. You may use bridges below as follow. Purchase Ethereum. Okay, wherever you want. Swap any assets into Ethereum to Arbitrum using Hashflow, Bungie, Voran, Router, Ranjo, dBridge, LeFi, Rubik, transfer Ethereum into Arbitrum for Digate, Boring DAO, Seller, Compose, Connects, Hope, Multi-chain, and Across. All those bridges we used before. And yeah, Hope Exchange. Here's a nice picture right here. I'm gonna use Hope Exchange. Let's see what just started right here. The time has come. Arbinauts 8-week long journey into Ethereum. Arbitrum Odyssey has begun, but before you enter, brief yourself below. Okay, and feel free to follow me. What's my Twitter? ZivZiv1243. Okay, as what we done, just an FYI on our Discord. Yesterday, the AI prediction said to go long Sol, long Ape, and long Uni. 24 hours later, 10 to 20% jump. Well, the AI told us, hey, daily signal on Solana at 32 is long. Now it's 38. Ape at $4. Now it's like 460, 470. Uni at $4. And now it's $5. And also GMT Stepan was at like 72. Now it's like 85 or something. Another almost 15-20%. So that's my basically Twitter. You can follow me and to do a test right here. Launch best. All the links will be below. 7 days trial. Join us on our Discord and get those great wins, hopefully. Okay, so what are we doing? Go to Hope Exchange. Again, link will be below. Let's make sure I'm also recording. Make sure you have Ethereum. If you follow my channel, you have a little bit of Ethereum there and there in either Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and even Ethereum Minute. This is the main page. I'm gonna send Ethereum. Okay, I'm gonna send Ethereum. Again, do not send any of the others. And I'm right now connected to my Optimism. I don't know if you can do 2 wallets, 50 wallets, 100 wallets, 10 wallets. That's what I'm thinking. The NFT can, it's a tricky one. So Sybil attacks and all that stuff. I don't know. I don't know how many I will do. Maybe 1 wallet, maybe 2, maybe 5, maybe 10. I don't know. Haven't decided. But for this example, how do you do it? You pick Ethereum. I got a little bit of ETH leftovers on Optimism, 0.013. So let's go and change from networks. Okay, Optimism network, and I'm gonna send to Arbitrum network right here and see how quick it is. My max is 0.013. I'm not gonna do max, but I'm gonna do 0.01. Sure. Let's send 0.0101. Okay, just so it will be over 1. It don't have a minimum, but still, look how fast it is to bridge from layer 2 to layer 2. Okay, I'm sending from Optimism to Arbitrum Ethereum. I'm gonna estimate receive is a little less, so let's do, I don't know, 0.05. I wanna receive 1. Okay, 7. There we go. Estimate receiving 0.001. The fees goes to Hope Exchange. So I assume the price is super duper undervalued. Click send, see how quick it is. I'm sending 0.01 Ethereum from Optimism to Arbitrum, getting this amount. Click send and see how quickly it is. It's gonna ask me to approve the transaction, pay the fees, 0.0002. You see, complete. Haven't even clicked, already complete. Source layer 2 to layer 2. The big beneficiary is Ethereum, the layer 1, big everything slides into the Ethereum. But still, I assume a year from now, new crypto users will not even use layer 1 like ever. There's no need. You will go directly to Optimism or Arbitrum or ZK Sync or all the other layer 2 and just stay there. You can farm and leverage if you want and all that stuff, or trade or just hold, and that's it, complete. That's beautiful. That is it. I have sent money from Optimism to Arbitrum. Click close. Okay, and now just so you know, click Arbitrum. And now my balance is 0.019. Okay, and my balance on optimism is 0.02. That means that it worked. I got 0.019. I don't need to send it back. That's all you do. One transaction, you have a week, and next week, I don't know if we're getting an NFT now or 2 months from now. Every week we will do the task. Make sure you have some money set aside for this stuff. I don't know, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, maybe 100. We'll see every week. And hopefully no one says there's an airdrop, but if we are participating, which if you follow this channel, you probably are. We've done so many stuff so far. I really hope that Arbitrum will be legit 6-figure airdrop, but I will take 5-figure airdrops as well in this bear market so far. But who knows? Who knows? And no one says you have to dump it on day one. But yeah, we'll see what the future holds. This was valuable. Ziv, finds after 40. All the links below. Join us on Discord 7 days trial and get those great wins. Solana, Uni, Ape, and Step and GMT. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.